Hi everyone, Sarah back again today, and I am playing with the Winter Glow kit from Mercy Tiara Kits. Loving this kit. We actually had some snow, so I got some good pictures. Here I can't find my circle cutter. So I just traced one of my little things that I have laying around, and I'm gonna roughly cut it out with this little cutter I have here. And when I say roughly, I mean roughly, because honestly, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna rough it up with the edge distressor here in just a second, right there. Um, and please give me time to figure out this new app with everything that's going on. CapCut got shut down. Hopefully it'll be back. So I had to squirm and find a new photo editing app or video editing app, whatever, to be able to actually edit my videos. So that was fun. Anyways, I went ahead and cut a circle in that. I love this plaid paper that is in the background. Is gorgeous. I kind of hated to use such a big piece because I like the other side as well. It's got flowers on it and I kind of wanted a fussy cut. But I did a big circle and I'm popping the white page up. So it is what it is. I'm using it. Here, I pulled some 3D foam sheets from my stash. I mean, I buy them at Walmart. They're in the craft department. They're sticky on one side. I actually found out about them from Missy Whidden when she was doing videos. She always used them. They're fantastic. So, I also pulled in a doily from my stash just to lighten things up a little bit and just have a little, I don't know. I like them really, honestly. That's really the only reason. So I added some foam behind both of my photos so that they would sit correctly with the fact that the white is already popped up. I am definitely using that gorgeous acrylic piece. It says it's cold outside. And then I had fussy cut some of these flowers. I don't remember what paper it was, but it was the backside of one of the Simple Stories papers. Absolutely gorgeous. And so I went ahead and fussy cut those out. And so I'm just kind of laying them around. There's also acrylic snowflakes. And then it's not just acrylic. There's other kinds. They're felty and everything. I'm using some of those and placing them here and there around the layout. And then I'm going to go in with these stickers from the Simple Story sticker sheet. I'm going to grab a couple. I don't use a ton of them. I use a sprig over to the right of the photos. And I use one up top where I was making that little cluster with the floral up there. I'm not done. And so I also had fussy cut that tag out of one of the 12 by 12 sheets. It was one of the cut apart sheets. And I believe that was Echo Park. Here, I'm just trying to get everything put together where I want it. I haven't glued anything down yet. Just the basic background, I guess. And so I'm just kind of adding things. I wanted some more wood grain up at the top like I have below the photo, so I added that. But I'm actually going to pull in more. I'm going through there we go. I'm actually cutting out this heart one. This is Echo Park as well. I'm going to rough up the edges and I'm going to stick it up top in that cluster, hide the little heart on it. But I do grab this cut apart piece as well and add it behind one of my photos. Just a little more color. Here's where I add the twig up top. I rough up the edges of all my florals like normal. I rough up like the edge of everything. It makes it so much easier so everything doesn't have to be perfect. I do like that. I guess technically that's why I do it. I also am going to grab this pine cone and put it in down here so there's a little more of that brown to the right hand side. And it's kind of in 3 different areas. And here's where I'm going to start just grabbing my glue and sticking things down to my layout. I'm not done yet. I'm still going to go back and grab some things and add them in. But I'm going ahead and gluing down the acrylic snowflakes. And then I go to gluing down just the florals and all of my embellishments, really. Just so that I can make sure that everything's down. And as you saw there, I kind of glued to the center of things so that they can actually lift up off the page. It's nothing new. It's something I've always done. Something caught me off guard there and I was talking or something, I'm guessing, or I'm watching something. Do a lot of y'all watch stuff during crafting time when you're on your own and just getting to craft? If you do, what do you watch? I'm in need of some new shows. I want some more things to watch. I've went back and rewatched other things and I can't read while I'm doing this. I have listened to some audiobooks as well. But yeah, what do you watch if you watch while you're crafting? I went ahead and glued those down. There I am eating my cinnamon hearts. I mean, it's not even Valentine's Day, but they finally have those out, and they're one of my favorites and about the only time I can get them because they're not the same as hot tamales. I don't care what anyone says. They don't taste the same. So that was my snack while I'm crafting. I'm adding some of the snowflake stickers from the 12 by 12 sheet and just putting them here and there. That says cold hands and warm hearts. That's one of the word stickers I got. And then the other one says, baby, it's cold outside. The one up top to the right in that cluster says, let's chill. I'm just trying to find if there's something else I want to use here. I decide against it. I keep trying to pull other things in, but I wasn't liking how it looks. So I just went with what I had. I grabbed these Echo Park. They're the little brads. I used both of the like the diamondy ones, and I used a pearl one too. I'm making sure I have things cleaned up, and I'm moving stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and actually pull my Distress Mica Stain Frozen Fog from my stash, and I'm going to stir it up, and then I am going to splatter it across my layout. Sorry, you hear me moving things on my desk while I'm sitting here. I couldn't remember what the name of that was, so yeah. But that finishes this layout. I really hope that you enjoy this. I had a blast making it. I am loving this kit so much. And again, I'm so sorry for the differences in my video. Hopefully I will get used to this or CapCut will come back. So, make sure to check out the links below. Come join us on Facebook. We'd love to see you there. Participate in the sketches and stuff like that. It'd be great to have you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe so you're notified when I upload again. Thanks so much. Bye.